Alright, thank you.
You're welcome. You need pepper sauce, ketchup?
Both please. Can collect it, yeah. Hey guys, look at the beads. Hey, check out the beads. Okay, so where are we headed, bro?
Heading to the beach, guys. So this is a beach vlog. Welcome back,
yes.
guys.
So if you're a nature lover, this is one way you can spend your Valentine's Day with your galentines or whatever you got, your friendentines, whatever, manentines, whatever, broentines, whatever. So this is our nature edition. So just stay tuned, guys. We're all looking all beach. You don't have to take off them Clarks though, because it's Rose Valentine outfit. So we on the beach. We on the beach.
A change up now, guys.
Yeah, guys.
Chill on the beach and much of little food.
I just want to show you what we at eat and sing.
You see what we drink stuff. Hey guys, what's up?
Guys, I might have to pop style and put on my glasses. It's still kind of bright over here.
So much of food. Guys, we got some mad drinks. I tell you, not try to promote nobody thing, but them drinks are really good.
I'm trying to promote them all day, every day.
Yeah, but what I want to do,
What I
want to do a collab with them. Guys.
Yeah, brand ambassadorship.
You want lemon?
What? It no matter.
Them come in a different flavors and things. Kaye.
Jamaican people cannot pronounce RPC they like most of the time. So it's, yeah, what we're all saying pretty good, you know, guys, honestly. Me, I go for try say it and then it's gonna sound the same exactly. We soon get a better look at this sweet there. Thank you. Wait, we are cheers for life and success.
More YouTube videos and more subscribers. Guys, subscribe, comment, share.
Yes. But definitely share. Sharing is caring for sure. That's the best way that you guys can support us for free. You guys can also become Patreons as well. So click the link down below in the description to become a Patreon, guys.
Alright guys, so I said, yeah, I'm gonna show you guys a view. Alright, so this is what the beach pretty much look like. See Kaye there down there, so look at see Kaye. Kaye! Say hi, wave your hand. Alright, so that's Kaye. That's the back part of the beach, so this is the beach you know. It's a pretty big beach, guys, no joke. And them have like a little bounce about thing where you can go up and jump off into the water. Yeah, man, and today is kind of like a holiday, so it's Valentine's Day. Lots of people here on the beach today. Yeah, this beach is in Ocho Rios. Nice little beach. Cheap too much, how it costs 2 bills. Yeah, so it just costs 2 bills, guys. See it here. Water nice, clean, pretty. But let's assume we're going to the water anyway. This is beyond the barricade. The barricade actually start down there. So the beach way cleaner where the barricade start. This pretty shallow and clean, and you have also little fish. So if you look here, see the fish them there, guys. Yeah, some people have them little cabana there, but you have to pay for them, guys. It's pretty cool though. Just a show, no? So you can get it all out here if you want. We more just there for the cheap or free nature spots. To get some YouTube content and to show you guys around Jamaica, so you don't have to cost your arm and a leg and all of that. Alright guys, okay, and back to a little spot by the beach. Yeah.
Hey guys, so I know we under the shade and all, but there's a wicked glare coming in. And a couple years ago, I did some craziness to my eyes, so that's best I have on my glasses anyways.
And it look good, guys, you know, glasses fit her. Comment, drop it in the comment section if Kaye looks great in glasses.
Thanks, guys. Thanks, bro.
Fit her, guys. I'm gonna find some that fit my face, so I'll start rocking.
Just fit, bro. Let me know, because I feel like this shape, these are called aviators. Let me know if you think aviators fit roll. Put them on roll. Ooh, smooth.
Yeah.
And if you have like the pony, ooh, you know? Ooh, messy bun vibes. But it's giving. It's giving. Let me let me know if you think that this shape is for his face too.
Alright guys, we're with some grills.
How about that? He lost me at that. Anyway.
I love to tell about the whole grills thing, you know, because it's like it's a South Florida, it's a Floridian thing, you know, for wear grills, a Southern thing, Southern American thing.
I hate
to
it,
wear
guys.
grills.
I hate it.
She hate it, our worst nightmare. So always a trouble, we look inside it. Guys, so the food, yeah, you see when you saw when we were purchasing it.
Yeah, so this is what it looks like.
With one piece of bread, we are not breaded.
Yeah, he didn't have the festival
yeah.
ready. I was kind of disappointed.
Festival, it just a go on. You see the lady, I keep up the cold stove feet, you know.
Honestly, it's just like, I don't know. You guys kind of have to learn to be okay with disappointment sometimes, especially living in Jamaica. Because, I don't know, people just don't be ready. Keep beating the business to their to their own opening time. It's crazy though.
Yeah man, a place, you say them at open like
8 o'clock. And then you reach the place like 7:58. Yeah guys, so you'll be at they say they open at 8 and then you'll be there like 7:55 or something to try to beat the crowd. Why are the employees rolling up at like 8:05 or 8 on the dot when the business is supposed to be opening? You cannot arrive at the opening time. Everybody knows that.
And then they say they don't have nothing already when you arrive. Like,
and then they have an attitude too. It's not even that. Like, it's the attitude on top of it for me. Like why are you getting that mad at me because your place says you open at 8? You're supposed to have everything ready. Like, that's why you're supposed to be at your place of business before it actually opens so you can prepare. Opening is just opening for them, literally.
Good.
Wait, you only give us one piece of bread?
Mm-hmm. I need no more than that. Actually tastes good guys, no joke. Not the best, but you know it decent. Definitely had better jerky chicken before, but can't do anything.
Yeah. I'm not gonna crap on him. I've had worse too, so.
And him customer service was good too.
Yeah, really stands out in Jamaica because of that.
Oh man, him was so polite and everything.
Yeah.
No joke.
Here, guys, I want to chunk of bread, I take a look there. But dangerous with bread. I never see the man, I call me a vlog, and I never see just sleeping in one piece. Come here, sir. You just saw 2 people there, sir. With so much chicken outside, that's a robbery. They should at least give you 2 pieces of bread.
One serving of chicken dish.
Hey, not dangerous down here. 1 serving of chicken dish.
So when I crave them, we can eat it together. The average person I eat, I don't want more.
Right, for true. Girls my size, guys, they eat like some big old fat man.
A girl is thinner than Kaye.
I'm 2 big old plates of food easily. And we say them still ready to go to the next food spot. Like what? And you know guys, most of them belly flat like Bamia. You know.
And then walk up and down a lot.
Yeah, Jamaican girls just different, brother.
But Jamaican girls walk a lot.
Jamaican have a good body here too. Inside, girl them down here, they pass somebody and neat, muscle tone and everything. And you know, God, Jimmy, no guys, like Rose said, they walk around out.
Yeah, man, if you walk, go take taxi.
Somebody live in a country.
Inside,
2.5 years since we down here, guys. I get a little bit of toning, I'm not lie. But I say now go look as chisel as them we grow up tonight.
She definitely see benefits in Jamaica.
Yeah, for sure. Soon start workout and thing, guys. Real nice we're gonna start work on morning time. So that's number 1.
Most of them YouTube videos, guys, have going to some remote areas where you have to climb some hills and valleys.
And do some walking.
But it will work, so.
Yeah, we're not complaining, guys. Hey, you want to see the last Airbnb we was there, guys? You have to cross river for reach.
Yeah. The last video where you see we at the waterfall.
Yeah.
We just showing the sun from the beer. Real beach vibe.
Hey.
Sun from the liquor. It's not even beer.
Yes. Okay.
You're going to knock the beer
Stand
and the
gone
water.
wrong.
Jesus, please.
Who are you going to knock off in the ear? Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Okay, come up more than water. I cinematic is in there, that's why. Guys, it's on hot. You know, I like you.
Alright guys, I won. What's going on? This little fella here. Water, all the water, Peter. Alright guys, we know about that. I'm turning around. But we're all got so far guys. You know what I'm scared, you know. Man, look at fish them in the water guys. You can't see it. I record it all the time. I put it on like a fish break and talk about give me. Sitting there guys. I look at I show off like.
Yo, there are the other people over there.
Hey guys, so we just come out the water now, nice and prime and tiny. So you see the sugar boat. The bomb back, you know, say, man back somebody in back. What on that?
Hey guys, we're under the cabana. It is beautiful. I'm going to actually put on the camera a little more so you can see the cabana, how it looks. See it there good. Alright guys, so we're there on the beach. Just have one easy. Today is the 14th of February, it's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to you all, to you and yours, wherever you are in the world, big up on yourself. We are in Jamaica, beautiful Jamaica, just chilling, and also stay tuned. Give this video a like, comment, subscribe, share, all of that. So, come on, bless up. Me and Kaye just go on full drive with you at the beach. I drink some of that tequila here. Guys, I can't stop that. Them here. This is the only alcohol beverage I promote. Nah joke, it tastes good, it make you feel right, you know, it don't make you feel overwhelmingly fucked up, it just, you know, it's smooth. 7.9% alcohol per serving and it tastes really, really good. You can't taste no alcohol night. As much as you have 7.9, you can't taste no trace alcohol. But you definitely feel it.
Where's the boy, Papa? Yes, guys.
Alright, guys, it's not that crazy, but you don't know. See, chuka there, chuka pa.
I'll that prayer.
Them boat ride there, guys, a different type of boat ride, you know. You have the mini boat ride them and then you have the big boat them. Catamaran. See them there? See the size? Them size boat they will keep some little mini party. Yeah man, they keep some little mini party on them type of boat there. Some little dancehall type of vibe, some little soca, excitement type of thing, and that's one from them one day. So it's like a boat tour, but a boat tour with excitement. That is what's going on that show. Guys, watch Kaye and her look at.